Hey guys! So in this video I'll show you how to add close friends on your Instagram. So these features allow us to share our stories to specific number of people which we have added in our close friend list. So basically it is a list of our favorite friends, and we can also use this feature if we don't want to share any of our story to whole audience. So in such cases we can use the feature of close friends. So first of all, there are many ways to add close friends. First way is that you have to click on profile, then you have to go to the three lines and you can see the option here, close friends. You have to click on close friends. Here I haven't added any of my friend in the close friend list, so it is not showing anyone. So here you can see how does it works. People will see that you are sharing to close friends but won't see who is in your close list. So it's a pretty good feature of Instagram. Okay, so now another way to add close friend list is that you have to click on your home screen, then you have to click on your story, and then you have to click a photo. Okay, so after that you can see that there are two options, your story and close friends. If you click on close friends, you can see that same interface is opened. So now if I want to add any of the person, for example I am selecting this, okay, this, so then I have to click on done. Okay, so now you can see that this account has been added on my close friend list. After that you have to click done and you have to just post your story, and it will only show to the persons that you have added on your close friend list. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you find it a little bit informative, kindly share it to your friends. It would mean a lot for us.